Question 7, JAMB 2020 Chemistry. Elements P, Q, and R belong to group 1, 5, and 7 respectively. Which of the following is true about the bond size between PQ and QL? So elements P is belonging to group 1. So example of this could be sodium, potassium. Elements Q belongs to group 5. Group 5. Element Q belongs to group 5. So example of these elements is nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay, and element R belongs to group 7. Group 7 are halogens. So we have fluorine, chlorine, for instance. Okay, so they said what kind of bond types will be between PQ and QR. So if you see the kind of elements involved, you would know that PQ is electrovalent. The kind of bond that will be formed between PQ is electrovalent, and QR is covalent. So answer for number 7 is B. PQ is electrovalent and QR is covalent bond. Option B.